for whatever value it has. But yeah, this is a little bit weird because there is a lot of money in play, and the only people not getting paid are the only people who, truly speaking, are essential. So that's weird. The Southeastern Conference made more than $409 million in revenues, with total conference revenue from TV contracts with total revenue of $650 million.
In half a mile, turn left on Hazlet County Line Road.
The president of the NCAA earns $4 million a year. So we have a lot of money in play here. The plaintiffs are current and former student athletes in men's football and men's and women's division basketball, Division I, which is the highest division there is. So they should ref themselves or check themselves. Very nice. Cute. They filed a class action against the NCAA and the conferences. The student athletes challenged the current interconnected set of rules that limit compensation. Specifically, they allege the NCAA's violate Section 1 of the Sherman Antitrust Act, which is very, very generic, which just basically says it is hereby declared illegal